Good morning, friends. You are catching my post yoga, not fully ready for the day self, but it is already 10 o'clock. So, this is serving as my good morning, but also my organizing tip for the week because there was just no way I was going to get everything I wanted to say in that teeny tiny little box. Um, I've been thinking a lot, and actually, I got spurred into this thinking by watching another organizer that I watch, who was talking about decluttering in preparation for holiday guests. And so then it made me think about our craft spaces and whether or not it's a room or it's your dining room table or your guest bedroom. And knowing that some of you might be kind of stressing about having to get ready for people coming over on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day or New Year's, or even staying in your home for the holidays, and trying to think about how you handle getting your space ready. So just a couple of quick things. One, depending on how much time you have, right? Some of you might be trying to get ready for people um, coming Friday or Saturday. Some of you might have a week or a little bit longer to get ready. Some of you might already have people there, so I'm a little late with this message. I apologize. Um, but take it in bite-sized pieces because you'll get overwhelmed. So when you're looking at the space and you're stressing about it, figure out how much time you have available and kind of break it up over the course of a few days and tackle one section of the room for 15 or 30 minutes. And then give yourself a break. And if you've got more time later in the day, go back and do more. But that helps the decision fatigue, that helps the level of frustration. Excuse me. The other thing that I wanted to encourage you to think about, and I say this because I'm guilty. This is not something that's theoretical. This is very real for me. When you are straightening up and trying to get your craft space ready, because it's not just a room you can close off. Um, the urge sometimes can be just to take everything, put it in a box, put it in a storage tub, and put it away until people are gone. And sometimes that's the go-to strategy, and that's what we have to do. And if that's what you need to do, because if it is your guest room, for example, and you really can't just leave it in there, what I would encourage you to do is, at least when you're packing it up, try to do it in some organized fashion. So put like things with like, or put things in boxes or tubs, but label them so you know what's there. So when everybody is gone and you're either going back to start putting things away, or you want to work on a project, or say you need something while people are there, craft supplies for little kids to entertain or things like that, it just makes it easier for you to find. Because I know that in my moments of I just need to get it all out of the way, I will put things somewhere and then I can't find it, can't find something that I need. I know I picked it up in a sweep, but can't go back and find it. So one, I'm working on less picking it up in a sweep, but also making sure that when I have to do that, that I'm a little more methodical about it. So those were the two things that were on my mind this morning. Um, and I just wanted to share those. And like I said, try to find a way to summarize that and maybe put it in my little visual that I share every week, and maybe link to this video for further explanation. But as I was thinking about it, I'm like, I'm not gonna get all that in that teeny tiny little space. So happy Wednesday. I cannot believe we are a week away from Christmas. Y'all, my tree's not decorated. But I guess I'll do that tonight. It's up, it's in the stand. The rest of the house is decorated, but there's not a single ornament on the tree. If I had enough ribbon, I might just tie ribbon all over it. I probably do have enough ribbon, to be honest. My mom and I did that one year when I was probably in high school. The whole tree was nothing but ribbon. We didn't put a single ornament on it. And I'm still contemplating that, to be honest. Although I don't know that that's any easier than actually hanging up the decorations. It's cute, but probably not any easier. Okay, I'm rambling at this point. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.